The Flexi isolation plug. The Flexi isolation plug uses the inflatable plug technology that we spoke about in the earlier videos, where we are inflating the seals. These are not compression seals. These are actually inflated with hydrostatic fluid. We're typically injecting 300 psi of hydrostatic fluid pressure into the seals. They are a wider seal, so they are a fantastic seal for dealing with ovality, for dealing with pitting, for dealing with transitions. Now, the tool configuration of the Flexi plug is designed so it can do low pressure hydro tests and double block and bleed isolations around elbows, like you see here in this illustration. So here is an example of the Flexi isolation plug going around an elbow, and as you can see in this video, you can see the umbilical in use, and the tool has a series of roller ball bearings installed to allow it to easily move not just down the pipe but around those elbows as well, with each of the inflation, isolation, and back pressure lines all available from outside the pipe. This allows the tool operator to push the isolation tool much further down than hands reach, and to be able to operate the tool fully and monitor all of those aspects of the tool while it's being used to isolate, and equally while it's being used to perform a low pressure hydro test. You can see here a close-up of the Flexi isolation tool and the roller bearings that are installed. Depending on the size of the tool, for smaller diameter tools we're using these roller bearings. On larger tools we'll use a spring-loaded wheel housing in all of the same locations as part of the tool design.